Hello, this is Peter. My view again. Only the real manufacturer bring his machine to Chinese exhibition. Yes, welcome to the CIPM Xiamen Exhibition. This exhibition is mainly for pharmacy equipped. So to fit, we mainly bring our pyramid tea bag packing machines and also the stick packing machine. So our featured drip coffee packing machines is in our factory. Now this screen come to us is the pyramid tea bag packing machines. And also this one is also the pyramid tea pack machine with the pre-made pouch. This one single stick pack. Now this one is the multi-lens stick pack packing machine with the sorting machine, which allow you to put stick packs into the box. So if you do production line for stick pack, this is kind of solution for you. Now we will bring you to see the sample pack. You can see many of product is for single pack. For single serve, 1 cup. We made quality machines and also have good sales schemes for after service. If you are looking for machine in this field, please contact me. Thank you.